today we're going to be doing Chase from Paw Patrol. So this one is actually one of the most involved because it has quite a lot of pieces. To start off on the top, this is going to be his hat. So we're going to have these pieces that's going to make up the badge that's going to go on the hat. And along with this, we're going to have, there's a black piece that we need also, which I can't seem to find. Okay, I can't find the black piece that goes right on the top here. Okay, actually it's not black, that's why it's white, and that will go in here just like so. And then we're going to have this yellow that will go over here. Because this has a lot of pieces, I'm going to be doing this one at a time. So let's just put this aside here and let's start off with this hat. So we have this white piece. That will first go on the blue, just like so. And we actually want some separation between the white pieces, so I believe these will do it. So something like that. Let me see if I have another piece. Okay, I have these smaller pieces here that we will also need. And perhaps we should have one more. Okay, right here. So this will go here, one on each side, and we also need this one as well. Okay, so these little tiny pieces would make up the paw. That will be part of this right here. Okay, so this is actually too big, so I'm gonna take a little piece off. Let's put that on the side. Okay, we'll put that on. And we do these other pieces as well. So these are all too big, so I'm going to do like so. And then we need just one more piece to go to the top. Okay, so that was a little messy, but and you could actually cut yours to be smaller if you want, but that's going to be the paw. So now we put this on to this yellow part. Okay, just like this. So next, let's actually put it on the cap. Okay, so this goes right on the middle, right here. Maybe shift it up a little bit because we need room to put in this yellow piece right here. Okay, so this will go in here like that. Okay, so that's the cap assembly, how it looks. Okay, so now let's shift gear to the next part, which will be the face. So what we'll need is we're actually gonna need something like this. So this cutout will be a curve for the mount, and it just goes on, and we have the nose. So you could do, it will go down like this. So you could do this as 3 individual pieces, or you could do it just like I did, which is just 1 piece. So let's add it on. Okay, so we have to gauge where this will go. I believe this is a good spot for it. So shift it so it'll go a little bit in the middle like this. Okay, so next we have to do the eye. But before doing the eye, we have to put in this piece. So let's configure how this will look. So this will have to go right over the nose, like so. And the eyes, so this one, as you can see, is not a full circle. It's cut out a little bit here so that it will go underneath, or just right here. Actually, maybe like this. If I could get this to stay. And then the other one will go right here. And we then need to then add the eyelid as well. You have to have room for it. This will be very close to up here. And then we need this portion here. So that's how this is cut. And this will go right on this bridge, like so. Okay, and then we'll finish the rest of the eye. So let's get started in putting these on. So I would like to actually start with this because that will give us a configuration where this will go. So we'll start with this one that's cut up like a tree. And this goes directly almost at the top. Okay, so that's on. So this will then give us an idea where this one will go, because that's gonna go right at the bottom of where this brown part stops. Okay, so next let's put on the eyes. So for the eyes, we have these two pieces which will go over here like so. Okay, let's see how this go. So this will go on like that. And this one will go over here. Okay, so next we're gonna do the orange part. That's gonna be part of the eyes. Normally I will put all the eyes together, but these little big pieces needs to go in there first. So this one will go right over here. And then this will go in here. Okay, so next is the black part of the eyes. So these will go right about the middle. Just like that. And then we put in the white part. So I actually have 3 of these, but we only need 2. So let's put one on the side. So this can go right over here. Okay, so that's the face. So you can see that it's already coming together. So next, let's do the ear assembly. So because this will be coming next to the cap here, so we'll have to put in this maybe underneath over here like so. So we have to put this on first. So we just go like this, all right? So let's put this on. And this one will go this way, right? So let's put this on as well. Okay, so what are these pieces? So it looks like we didn't finish the face assembly, so let's go ahead and do that. So first we're gonna have this, the eyelid. So the eyelid will go right over here, and this one will go right over here. And then we have these pieces here that will go on each of the side. So this will go right this way, and the other one will go on the other side. So let's put them on. So because this will go here, you have to make sure to put the glue on the right side. So this will go over here. And this will go over here. Okay, so this has a little bit of edge that's coming out here, but hopefully by the time we put everything together, it's gonna come out right. Okay, so next, let's put these little dots. I think we only need maybe 3 on each side. So okay, so what we're gonna do is 1 over here, one over here. Come on, stay on. Okay, we need a little more glue. Okay, it's just sticking to my hand. Okay, we got it on. And then the last one over here. Okay, so now we have to do the same on the other side. We only need 3, so we put these 2 on the side. Okay, so now we put on the other side. So we put this one here, one over here, and then we could put on the last one. The last one will go right over here if it will stick. All right, there we go. All right, there we go. So that's the face assembly done. So now we can actually start to put them on the plates. So how are we gonna do this? So we put this on the hat, goes on here, and then the ear goes on like this. Okay, so it looks like we will not take up the whole plate. So I think this will go right on the top this way. So the best thing to do is to start off with the face. So let's put this on. So when you do your cutout, you can actually make yours bigger to cover the whole plate. But for now, this is what I have. So we're gonna try doing this one this way. Okay, so now that we have that, let's put on the hat. With the understanding that the ear will go right underneath it. So the ear will go underneath like this. So we just need to gauge where this is, and then we'll put on the ear down like so. And maybe we'll put on some glue for the ear. So now that we have an idea where it will go, we'll put on the glues. So this one was a little involved, but as you can see, we have a finished product that looks quite nice. And there you have it. Chase from Paw Patrol.